Guys, what's going on? So you've launched a TikTok, you're rolling, you're making some videos, you're getting some feedback, positive feedback. Now you want to know, man, how do I make some money from TikTok? Let's talk about it. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, my name is Brooks Conkle, entrepreneur. I think we shouldn't just think outside the box, we should try to destroy the box. I'm usually wearing my Destroy the Box t-shirt. So if you're into entrepreneurship, marketing, online business, think about liking the video, subscribing, following me, let's connect. That's what I'm all about, man. So I make videos on that. Alright, so TikTok, let's talk about it. First of all, before I get to the how to make some money on TikTok or what I'm seeing marketers do, I wanted to talk about two things real quick because I think it's actually pretty important. One, something I've noticed on TikTok is that famous people, obviously they're on it, right? So the platform's blowing up. If you're watching this video, you obviously enjoy it because you're wanting to know how to make money on it. So you're already using the platform. But something I notice is that famous people don't necessarily look as cool on TikTok. Like, does that make sense? Like, everyday people that are making really creative content are just as cool as the famous people. Like, sometimes the famous people make something and it's like, like whatever. But then just the average dude puts together some really creative video and it's amazing. So what I see is that TikTok is now like a level playing field, right? So I think that's really cool for starters. The second thing is that this just happened to me. So I just created a second account to make all like different types of content, just goofy, funny, family fun. And I'm going to look at figuring out how to market that as well. And I'll talk about that in just a second. But what I noticed is that when I launched that new account, I was being served a lot of the same types of videos that I was seeing when I created my first account. Like same videos, like I recognized them. I'm like, man, I've seen these, I've seen these, I've seen these. So two trains of thought there. One, either TikTok knew that it's me already because I created another account for my same device, the same phone. Or second is that there's just a lot more viewers than there is content. Like, I actually think it's the second one, meaning that some of the most popular content that's out there circulating, like, they show it to new people. They show it, which is really promising in the world of content creators. So I think that's super cool. I don't know, that actually really excites me. All right, so let's talk about how to potentially make some money from TikTok. So a couple of ways. One, if you are, what's her name? Charlie or somebody with like millions of views. Let's go check her out real quick. All right, this is who I was looking for. So this is crazy. Last time I looked, she had like 50 million. And then like a couple of months ago, I think she had just crossed 30 million followers. It's insane. So unless you're Charlie here, and I first heard of Charlie on the on Gary Vee. So her family was like on Gary Vee and they were talking about her TikToking and what she's got going on, right? And they're like, man, like what can we do here? Like how can we create? I was like, first of all, I barely heard of TikTok. This is like 90 days ago. So first I'm like, okay, I don't really know much about TikTok and who's this person. So I check her out and I'm like, okay, wow. So I'm literally watching her growth like double from like 25 million to like 50 million. So it's just like an everyday young girl that just like enjoys dancing. I mean, obviously like cute young girl, but she just like enjoys dancing, like having a good time and makes TikTok videos. Like it's crazy. So option number one is have millions of followers, and I'm sure you can get like sponsorship deals, right? So sponsorship deals, you can sell merch. You can see what she does right there, right? She has a merch link. So she's saying, hey, click my link and buy my merch. In all honesty, like most people that are influencers aren't necessarily always the best marketers. I'm not saying that about them. I have no idea. They may be having some multi-million-dollar like deals happening or going on or whatever. But typically they're thinking about like, just, you know, they're thinking about entertaining, right? Not necessarily the marketing. Now, marketers, on the other hand, which I've seen a number of people do, a part of it's because a lot of the content that I follow, but what they're doing is affiliate marketing. And so that's the second option that I think is probably the biggest way to create an income from TikTok. Now, a few things. one, if you're not sure really what affiliate marketing is, short version is you're getting paid to refer business to another business, right? So a product or service that you like or recommend, you pay people, I mean, you send traffic with a link, and then you get paid a portion of that. I will actually stick around to the end of the video, and I'll leave a link with another video with better description of further in depth of affiliate marketing and what that is. But that's what I have seen the biggest marketing, and I think that's the opportunity right now. I've seen people make sales and not even have a link in, like, I don't even have a link in my account right now. So I'll show you my account real quick. I don't even have a link. I believe once you hit 1,000 followers, and so like I started my TikTok account I don't know, less than maybe a month ago. Videos are really easy to produce, obviously, as you guys already know, but like so this isn't necessarily a video about how fast you can grow, but I just think it's amazing, you know, to have thousands of people see a video. So one of my videos has like 80,000 or something. Let's see. And I'm sure you guys, some of you guys watching this are like, man, whatever, man, 80,000, that's child's play. Like I have millions. Yeah, it's insane. Like, man, props to you guys. Like, it's amazing. But like, it's just okay, 86,000. Here it is. So 86,000. I'm talking about like stock investing. Making that video like drove me to say, whoa, man, there's something here. Oh, even in this video. So back to the affiliate marketing example. So I can't even have a link yet. And here I am including a link if someone wanted to get the free stock. So that's actually an affiliate link right there. We both get a free stock if someone signs up, right? So this video has been seen 86,000 times. That is the way, affiliate marketing. Now, so when I hit 1,000, I'll be able to get a link here up above and to be able to drive traffic to a few places. One, let me also add this. Before you even have the link, you can drive traffic right now to your YouTube channel, right? Or your Instagram page. And maybe you're already driving traffic there and doing sales there. So the answer is not how to make money on TikTok. It's how to get traffic from TikTok and get them over into your funnel or into the other ways that you're creating income. Now, if you don't have a funnel set up, like if you're not making money on YouTube or Instagram or don't have an email list or anything like that, that would be step one, right? So like I would set up affiliate partnerships or create that on your website, you know, say, hey, these are the top resources that I use. Here, I'll give you an example right here. And then what you can do is point that traffic. When you get that link, just point it to your top resources. Like, so here's my page, and this is taking me like a year or so to build out. So this is taking me, yeah, probably like a year or so to build out, but what I have is links to like top resources that we use, right? So, and this is just a page with all types of resources. So you could talk about that resource and then say, hey, to see it, to get information on it, you know, just click the link in my bio or whatever. And then send traffic to your page that has all of your resources, right? So that is what I would recommend doing. Now, here's the other thing I wanted to show you, and I was talking about that other account that I created. It's like, this is insane. So I create a second account, make one video, get 1,500 views on a video that no one knows me, right? Like no one knows me out there. Like this platform is insane. So do me a favor, like the video if you're getting value out of this. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the TikTok platform. Where do you think it's going? What do you think's happening? And I'm going to include those videos right now on affiliate marketing, and I'll throw in another video about TikTok if you should even if you should start a channel. And yeah, look forward to connecting with you guys soon. Take care.